Now listen here, Chook, you and I wear bras and underpants every single day. It should be the most invested part of your wardrobe. And by invested, I mean that you're constantly checking the fit of your bra and underpants. And I want you to ask yourself a question. How long since you've had a professional bra fitting? All right, okay, how long has it been, my gorgeous girl? If it's been a long, long time, I want you to book in with Curvy to make sure you get fitted for your bra. Depending on your bust shape, size, Curvy has an incredible size range. I'll have that listed for you below, but they have lots and lots of different types of bras. So I'm giving you today just a little bit of a refresher as to what's new and amazing with Curvy. But the best bra fitting with Curvy is going to come when you're really, really clear, open and transparent about what you want. Do you want a rounded shape? Do you want lift? Do you want wire free? Do you want minimizing? What are you particularly wanting to achieve with your underwear? So I want you to think about that today, babe, while I show you some of the most prettiest underwear available. Let's get into this one. Have a look at this. We have a very fine molded. This has got 3 different sections to it. So it's giving me a massively rounded shape, which is my preferred shape. We have soft and stretchy lace here across the bust, which is going to be incredibly helpful if your bust sizes like mine, okay, are different. One's bigger than the other, babe. One sits a little bit lower and one has more fullness at the top than the other. So we've all got our challenges, don't we, babe, with our boobs. Let me turn around for you. Incredible depth in the strap. This has also got a J hook. So if you want to turn this into a racerback style, you can. Incredibly comfortable. I love this color. And with the size ranges that I've got listed here, friends, I've got the cup sizes that are available for each band size. So I generally wear a size 16. In some European bands, I will wear a 14. This comes back to why we all need to get fitted with Curvy. Okay, so just have a look for your relevant band size and then you'll see what cup sizes are available. So I hope that is helpful to you, my gorgeous girlfriends. Pretty underwear is not easy to find for it to be comfortable. These are lovely. Really nice high. Sizing is actually bordering on super generous with these. I like the little cutouts. It's a high rise, it's a full brief. Okay, nice and wide here at the bottom. I absolutely do not feel that these are gonna ride up at all. This bra is not only pretty, it is incredibly politely priced. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, we've got a beautiful 2-tone stretch mesh with a stretch lace, full adjustability in the straps. I'm incredibly comfortable and I'm incredibly rounded. So even though it's a Balconet style bra, I'm still getting a nice round shape. Really nice side boob support in this bra as well. Let me turn around for you. Isn't it pretty? Such a good price. Have a look at that. And then friends, let's have a look at these underpants. If you're in between sizing, I'm in between a 16 and an 18. I bumped up to the 18 on this. We always want to prioritize our comfort. Okay, we're coming into the warmer months. Beautiful stretch in these ones, but just so we don't get any strong indents, because we're soft and juicy, aren't we, baby? If you're in between sizing, I want you to size up in these. Now, I've got a lot to say about this strapless bra. I am so picky with my strapless bras. They're often the most uncomfortable type of bra that we wear, but like it or not, sometimes we do need a strapless option. I have a lot of strapless bras. I often need to wear strapless bras. This is the lowest plunge strapless bra on the market, which is available up to a J cup. I want to talk to you about how I'm feeling. I feel like, friends, this is one size too big in the cup for me. But what I want to talk to you about is how great the depth is. Look how high that is coming onto my bust. It's not cutting across my bust. If you have a requirement for a deep plunge, this is going to be absolutely perfect for you. It's a molded cup. There is no inserts or anything, so it's not going to increase your bust size, which I think is really nice. I love the long line nature. It feels really good. Look at how wide the straps are. This is the key thing for me personally, for what it's worth, is this really helps to smooth out our back fat situation. So this is a really surprising, very, very pretty, very practical, but it's the comfort level of this strapless bra. This is an absolute top pick. Friends, cute, cute little underpants that we can go with this as well. These are in a nice stretch lace. Again, with these ones, if you're in between sizing, if you don't like anything too tight or restrictive, I'm in between a 16 to 18. I've chosen to upsize in these. I'm so sorry, friends. This is the correct bra to be with these underpants. I hope that you can forgive me. Okay, look at this. Beautiful stretch lace. But what I would like you to notice, if I may, is my entire bust is covered. My entire bust is encased. There is a lot, from my perspective, of side support. I'm getting really great forward projection, but I'm still getting a nice rounded, natural look. This bra, it's kind of like the straight jacket of bras, but I feel very, very comfortable. And that's because I'm in the right size. Now let's talk about sizing here just for a minute. Every manufacturer has different sizing. So you can see that my sizing is jumping all over the place. So this is the reason, friends. This is the reason, my darling, darling girl, I need you to get fitted. If you've already had a fitting with Curvy, can you comment below? Let us know your experience, and then the girls who are thinking about getting a fitting can go in and have a look. They're all they do. The professional bra fitters at Curvy, that's their 9 to 5 job. They look at boobs, assess boobs, and help you get the bra that you want, okay, for your needs. It's really, really important that you do that. It makes such a difference to how your clothes lay over you, and you're going to be comfortable. You're not going to be wanting to rip off your bra at the end of the day. But this bra is no joke. Okay, this bra is no joke. I'm fully encased. This is actually, for such a supportive bra, it's incredibly flattering as well. Nice width here. Let me turn around for you. Okay, and surprise, surprise. Okay, how good does it look when you put it back with the correct underpants? Top pick bra. Let's have a look at this one, friends. What do I like about it? It's just a great everyday bra. This might actually become my new try-on bra. I'm insanely comfortable and my breasts are feeling cool. Let's talk about it. So Spacer fabric cups are breathable, moisture wicking, and they really help to keep our bust cool. Now, friends, please note this does have a slight sheerness to it. So I'm wearing nipple covers, my gorgeous friend. We have a smooth molded cup, a bonded edge back with a racer back option. So it does have a J hook, but look at this back smoothing. This is a really nice bra, friends. This is a really nice bra. It's smoothing me out. I'm comfortable, but more important is my breasts have a beautiful shape. It's got a slightly low front, which I find really, really handy, especially if you like to open up your neckline, but it's just the breathability of the fabric. This bra is also in the spacer fabric as well, but this bra, I do not need to wear nipple covers to conceal my nipples. Okay, so please have a think about which one is the right one for you. Pretty lace detailing here on this one. We've got a bandless frame. It has less fabric here, okay, which helps to keep us nice and cool in addition to the spacer fabric. We've got a stretch neck edge for ease of fit. So if you lack fullness up here, this is going to be a really nice bra for you. I actually have this bra in my personal wardrobe. It's a firm favorite. It's a throw on and go. It pushes me forward, helps with side boob, gives me a really nice rounded shape. Okay, my nipple doesn't show through, which sometimes is really, really important. As is well publicized, I have semi-retired boobs. They lack fullness. They like to sit, okay, it feels to me like they want to sit down here. This is this is a really cool bra. I'm going to read from the information that I have, okay, because I want you to have a good sticky beak, but I want you to understand what you are purchasing whilst you're having a good look. Okay, guys, this is cut from a super soft Tencel Modal Micro Air fabric, which is a breathable, comfortable to wear. It's blended with elastane for ease of fit. We have concealed support layers. There's 2 layers to this bra with a lot of stretch in the cup combined with the power mesh of the side cups here. Okay, this is giving really nice forward projection and helping with sideways bulge, friends. This is comfortable. This is breathable. You're gonna love this, okay? If you don't like wires, there's no wires in this. Comfortable. Look at this, nice width, but it's the back. It's the back. This is gonna smooth us out. Okay, if you have a full heavy bust to a mid bust, you're going to absolutely love this. This is like engineering on steroids, but I'm incredibly comfortable. Now this bra is absolutely no joke. This is the Boost Me Up padded Balconet bra. Look how wide this is in the neckline. I think this is going to be a great solution type bra when we have those really wide open necklines. Beautiful depth here. I just love this. This is beautiful, incredibly comfortable. So it's quite a thick molded cut, but I have to say, if you've got bottom heavy breasts, I lack fullness here. Most of the weight in my bust is down here. So this is giving me a really nice slight wearable lift. I just feel really good in this. Really, really nice in this. These necklines are hard to come by. Let me turn around for you. Really nice support here at the back as well. We've got a full stretch back. This is definitely a solution type bra if you are slight in the shoulders. Okay, if your bra straps come off easily, I wouldn't recommend this one. We've got 2 colorway options in this bra, friends. The tech in this fabric, if you live in the warmer climates, this is a super lightweight, breathable fabric, but it's the tech in the stretch mesh. This is fantastic. Let's talk about it. Absolutely full bust coverage. I'm getting a lift with no padding. Full underwire, adjustable straps, nice width here in the side band, which I personally really, really like. Let me turn around for you. Gee, this is nice. If you love full coverage, you love an underwire, but you want a fine, cooler, open mesh style, this one's for you. Let's have a look at a molded t-shirt bra. Friends, key features with this one. As you can see, I'm fully encased. So ultra full cup, zero stretch. Zero stretch here. So what that is doing is very much controlling the shape of my bust. It's giving me really nice rounded edges and a nice forward projection. I'm incredibly comfortable. There's beautiful technology in the fabric of this bra. It's a very cool bra to wear. So if you're in the warmer climates and you want a nice rounded shape, this is going to be absolutely a top one. So key features of the t-shirt bra is there's no seams. So if you wear a lot of bamboo, you wear tight fitting tops, okay, this is going to give you a really nice smooth finish. The other thing I wanted to say about this bra is it's very comfortable. They've put a lot of padding and support in and around the underwire. The back strap is nice and wide. It's going to give us a nice finish across our back. And there's also a lot of stretch in this fabric as well. Much more narrower in the strap. So if you suffer with slippage with your bra straps, this will be one to watch. This is the Minimizer wire-free magic lift bra. Curvy is making some pretty bold claims with this one, my beautiful friend. Let's have a look. Okay, so this design will lift, shape, and support. It has a full figure minimizer, which distributes and reduces the appearance of the bust line by a cup size. What else have you got for us? It's a cotton blend fabric, which will wick away moisture for all day comfort. I will say it's super comfortable. I will say that my breast is fully encased. It is, and girls, look, I'm getting good lift with zero wire. So if wire free is your jam, this is a really, really nice bra. I also feel that this is sitting quite narrow on my shoulders. So again, with this bra, if you struggle with straps coming off your shoulders, I think this could be a really nice one for you to consider. I'm obviously in the blue. There's another color in this one as well. If you're a fan of the Elomi Kate bra, you're going to be an absolute fan of this bra. This is the Elomi Kate Allure bra. Let's have a look at the features again. Significant in the cup size, okay, full cup coverage here. We have a beautiful lace which is encased between some tulle, not a huge amount of stretch here, my gorgeous friend. We have beautiful wide deep underwear. If you suffer from a bigger bust and a lot of side boob, there is beautiful wings that are bringing me forward. Really nice narrow straps. If you suffer from your straps falling off, this is going to be a really nice bra for you. And I just love the way that they've designed the back here. This is very much a forgiving bra style, a smoothing bra style, and a comfortable bra style. Let me turn around for you. This is a really nice bra.